For today's video, we're going to transform my black hair into blue. Hopefully. So to do that, meron akong binili from Colourette Cosmetics. Itry natin yung kanilang Bleach Cloud Kit and at the same time yung Sky Dye Semi-Permanent Hair Dye. So this is the Bleach Cloud Kit. Let's see what's inside. So this is what it looks like pag open mo. We have the Volume Developer, white powder bleach. We have the manual, a mixing bowl, and I do believe gloves. Yung applicator, like the brush and everything. And then for the Sky Dye, I got the Cobalt Blue. Hopefully this works, you guys. Also, meron akong binili sa Shopee na ito yung parang gown na isusuot mo over here para hindi makulayan yung the rest of your body. And then extra set of mixing bowl and the brush kineso. Okay, so I'm gonna have to ask my husband to help me because I cannot dye myself alone. You know what's pretty cool, you guys? Yung instruction manual, merong English, merong Tagalog, and I'm pretty sure may dalawa pang dialect or lengguahe. I'm pretty sure one of them is Bisaya. I don't know the other one. But the thing is, the font is so freaking small.
Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you. The only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into. We're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes
Ano siya sa likod?
Meron pang outing.
Okay lang naman hindi lahat. Alam mo yan, may mga black pa din.
while we're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost.
Hey guys, so this is the result of the bleach. Hindi na namin siya masyado pinatagal kasi parehas kami natatakot ng mister ko. Baka maluto masyado yung hair ko. So, may mga dark areas pa, mga dark hair pa. But it's okay kasi blue naman yung hair dye. So, I don't mind. Pero patuyo ko lang yung hair ko and then we're going to proceed with the blue hair. Alright guys, we're going to dye my hair now.
Remember when we said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart would mend.
It's been 30 minutes. I'm excited. Okay guys, I'm going to rinse na. It's time.
The next day.
Hey guys, so eto na ang finished product. I don't know if you can see it properly kasi sobrang liwanag. Baka nawawash out yung color, but it's blue, but it's not midnight blue. It's more like ocean blue-green. I don't know if you can tell. Wait, let's Let me take you on a different... Oh, here we go. So, ayan. Yan ang itsura niya, guys. So, I know it's not perfect. May mga hindi pantay and everything. Anyway, so I hope you don't mind. I'm going to give a very, very quick review doon sa Colourette Bleach Cloud and sa Sky-Dye. Good things muna tayo. Honestly, napakadali niyang gamitin with the instruction and everything. This is very beginner-friendly. If you're starting sa DIY bleaching and coloring, very beginner-friendly. Yung bleach hindi ganun ka-harsh, hindi rin ganun kabaho. Yung dye is hindi rin ganun ka-harsh, and it also doesn't smell too bad. Actually smells good. This kit didn't really like toasted my hair. So yun, recommend ko to if you're a beginner and you wanna DIY bleach and dye your hair. But for someone like me na alam mo yung veterana na in hair coloring, like I've bleached my hair so many times. I've used different brands, different hair colors. But this is the first time na magbo-blue ako. I mean usually ano ko like reds, strawberry blonde, like solid blonde, yung mga ganon. This is my first time na nag-blue ako. So for someone like me na maraming beses na nagpakulay ng hair, this is too mild for me. Kasi tingnan nyo yung dye, guys. Hindi siya ganun ka like powerful. Okay, given na hindi ganun ka-perfect yung pagkaka-bleach ng hair ko, pero medyo mahirap tong ilagay. Like, it's so jelly-like consistency. So, hindi siya pumiperme kung saan mo nilagay. Nagmo-move siya. Tapos hindi siya like nagsistick ng bonggang-bongga. Tapos eto guys, bonggang amount na to ng dye and bonggang tagal sa hair. Like, I really did the 45 minutes. Probably 47 minutes. Pero hindi ganun ka, alam mo yun, katingkad. I've used dyes like this before, pero red. So, yung na-try ko dati is yung consistency niya, dumidikit talaga siya sa hair. Like, pag-apply mo pa lang, puwi-permi talaga siya doon. Pero eto, dahil, ano siya, mushy, jelly-ish, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Pero, I don't know kung na-explain ko maigi, but, yeah, yun lang masasabi ko. Pero, if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend this. Because it's very mild and cruelty-free, vegan, and yeah. But yeah, anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and watch out for our next video, lip swatch. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.